How's it going, guys? This is All Things Awesome 78, and I'm going to do a little comparison on some different single burst mortar rounds out in the market these days. I know everybody's trying to get the best bang for their buck, no pun intended. But yeah, here we go. We've got the first one here is from Phantom. It's a 12-shot kit called Radical Recoil. The retail on this, if you go to one of their locations, is $69.99, and that's you know, their stuff is usually buy one get one free, so that's about 35 bucks a kit, 12 shots. The second one I've got here is called Super Magnum by World Class, and this is one of my favorites. Also a 12 shot with tail. Nice stuff. I have a feeling that the Super Magnums are going to perform just as well as the Radical Recoil, and quite a bit less expensive, over 10 bucks cheaper. The next one is by Boomer. These are the cheapest. One and 3/4 inch artillery shells, 6 in a box. I pay 14 bucks for these, and they're buy one get one free. So they're very cheap. Comes out to $7 a box. It's this guy here. And the last one is called Maximum Load by Big. Now these are also a very good mortar for the money. Same deal, 12 shots in a box. These are around 20 bucks for a box as well. Now, if you guys didn't know, or for those of you that don't know, the little string that ties this fuse on here typically indicates the color. So you can see that there, it's yellow. Typically indicates the color of the burst. Now, all of these, for comparison's sake, all of these ones I've selected here are going to be in that family. They're all going to be similar to yellowish gold bursts, and I want to do a comparison so you guys can see what's the best for your money. Alright, we'll fire these off and we'll see.